Today I am going to explain about the mean, median, mode in statistics. In statistics, these are the very basic things everyone come across at the stage of 9th class and 10th class, even before that 7th class also. But even though, how these are useful in our data science, predictions, algorithms, like that, just I want to explain what is the importance of mean, median, mode. Suppose how to calculate mean, median, mode, everyone knows, even though just I want to explain in 1 minute. Suppose we have the data, sample data of 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, and 11, 12. How many numbers are happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are the numbers. What is the mean? Mean is nothing but we have to add all those things by 9 divided by the 9. So what will be the mean? How much it will come? We will calculate first. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 13, 19, 13, 19, yes, 26, 35, 46, 58. 58 by 9. 6 points it will come. Okay. 6.4. Okay, 6.4 around it will come. This is the mean. Okay. Mean. What about median? Median is always, it will be in middle. If I have arranged all those things into ascending order or descending order, middle one we have to take. So it is the data is anyhow it is arranged in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 6 is the median. Yeah. So almost mean and median always will be the same. If the data is distributed in normally. Because from 2 to, the data is scattered from 2 to 12. So, mean is little bit high, median is very slow, very low. Okay, little low. But what about the mode? Mode means the data which is again and again repeating, that is called as a mode. So, here 2, 3, 4, 4. This 4, only one number is repeated 2 times. So, this 4 is the mode. Mode is the 4 now. Okay. But mode is little low. But mode always, which is again and again frequently coming, is called as a mode. This is the median and mean. Okay. We have calculated. This is the way. But if we have taken one more number, that is, suppose 50. What will happen? Into that, mean immediately will change because 58 and 50, 108 by 9. What will happen? 12. Right? But median, what will happen? Median is now 10 numbers are there. So between numbers 6 plus 7, 6 plus 7 by 2, that is nothing but 6.5. Right, 13 by 2, that is 6.5. Median is not changed, but mean is changed. With the effect of, this is called as an outlier. Okay, again, in next video, I am going to explain what is outlier, how to decide whether it is outlier or not, and also distributions and skewness, I am going to explain. But 50 is an outlier. It means nothing, but it is an extreme value. Extreme value. It is completely different. These are all are very near values, but 50 is very high value. So this is outlier we have taken into the consideration, so that mean is affected completely. From 6.4 to completed 12 it became. But median, what happened from 6 to 6.5 only changed. So, and mode is not changed at all. So in the data science, where at the time of prediction and data pre-processing, actually, exploratory data analysis, EDA, when you have to use, why to use, which one? I am going to explain now. Suppose I am going to take one small example. How to calculate mean, median, mode I have seen, and also if the outliers are there, mean will be affected more, median will not affect that much. Okay, so you take that exit polls. At the time of exit polls survey is going on. In that exit polls, people are taking into a consideration of voters' age and his income and age, income, education, and vote to whom, either BJP or Congress, whatever. Okay, ages are taken, but all ages are like, some people are maybe 20, 22 years and 50 and 60 age also will be there, like that. At the time of giving the age, some people won't give the age and his income group 5 lakhs per annum, 20 and also 6 lakhs per annum. He is not given his income, but he has given 10 lakhs per annum. He is given, and education, he is a graduate, he is a PG, and he is a PhD. He not given. Okay, and also he is not given his age. Here, some blank values are there. These are called as a non-values. Okay, at the time of taking into the consideration, but everyone given where to vote, yes or no, something, they are given data. We have the data, but in the data, some non-values are there, means values are not available. Some people are not given the age, some people are not given their income, some people not told regarding their education. But these need to be filled. Okay, but how to fill? With which value we have to fill? Because either mean or median or mode we have to fill. So when to use mean, when to use mode, when to use median. This is the situation now. So just now we have seen that mean, median, mode, how to calculate. If the outliers are there in the data, we have to see the data distribution. Is there when outliers are there or not? We have to see. If the distribution is completely clearly it is there, like that, normal distribution. If the normal distribution is there, mean, median, mode, everything will be same. But if it is a skewed data, what to do? Means outliers are there. If the outliers are there in the data, what will happen? Mean is affected more. As the mean is affected, what we have to take? Median won't be affected. So median can be filled in these areas. If the data is completely normally distributed, there is no outliers. Suppose if I have taken age only, everyone from 18 to 60 years of age people are there. 18 to 60 years of people are there in our data. Okay, suppose if it is there, everyone comes in this bracket, then we can go for mean. If one person is there, his age is 99. What will happen? This mean will be affected more because of only one person added, 99 age person. So that at the time what to do? Median need to be filled. Yeah. Okay. Mean, median will have the clarity. But what about mode? Because mode is for categorical values, categorical variables. Because if I have seen here only we have taken very less number of sample, but number of people told their graduation. So many people are there, BA, BCom, Okay, BSc like that. Very less people are PG and PhD. So what is the mode there? Graduation is the mode. So whoever not told their education qualification, then what we can fill? We can fill with the mode. Mode means graduation, because as it is a categorical variable, there is no question of mean and median. Mean median is possible only for the numerical values. So mean median cannot be a substitute. Here mode is useful. And mean and median, if the distribution is normally distributed, data is normal distribution, then we can go for mean. If it is skewed data or outliers are there, if outliers are there, skewness will be there. So that at that time we have to, as mean will be affected more, median need to be filled. Okay. After explanation, after explaining about the skewness and normal distribution, it will be more clear. But as of now, if the data outliers are there, then we have to go for median. If there is no outlier, we have to go for mean. This is a summary of the mean median mode. Thank you.